Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate almost your entire WordPress website using free AI tools, step by step in 2026. This is for beginners if you run a blog, own a small business site, have an affiliate website, or want WordPress to run with less effort. This tutorial is for you. No coding, no paid tools, no complicated setup. Let's start from the basics. What quote-unquote automation really means. Automation does not mean your site runs without you forever. Automation means AI helps you do repetitive work automatically, like writing content, optimizing SEO, creating images, updating posts, managing emails. You still control everything. AI just saves time. What part of WordPress you can automate? In 2026, you can automate blog content creation, SEO optimization, image generation, internal linking, email content, social media sharing. We will go through each one simply. Now, automate blog content with free AI. You can use ChatGPT for that matter, right? Or similar AI. How? Give AI a clear topic, ask for simple, helpful content. Now, let's say for example, I'm gonna copy this, paste it into a prompt. Sorry, I'm gonna use Instagram a lot for this step. Okay, write a beginner-friendly blog post about your niche. Right? Same simple language, clear headings. Right? Then copy content, paste it into WordPress, do light editing. AI does 80% of the work. Now, automate SEO. SEO sounds scary, but it's not. Use free SEO plugins like Rank Math, right? Or Yoast, which is both free, right? Now combine with AI. Ask AI for SEO title ideas, meta descriptions, FAQs, and paste them into your SEO plugin. Right? You can find it in WordPress by searching the Yoast and Rank Math. Right? In the WordPress, the WordPress site. Just type here. Type Rank Math plugin just to give you an idea, right? And simply you're gonna get a better rankings with less effort, right? Now, automate images with free AI tools. You don't need stock photos anymore. Use free AI image generators to create blog images, create featured images, create thumbnails. Here's the steps. Describe the image, generate, and upload to WordPress. Always compress images, use simple visuals, and then you're gonna get clean images. Clean images means faster site, right? You can use also ChatGPT for that, or you can use Meta to generate your own images here, right? You can choose both, right? Now, the internal linking with AI. You can automate that. Internal links help SEO a lot. Instead of thinking manually, copy your blog text and ask AI to suggest internal links for this article. So you're gonna paste the link of your blog and just type suggest internal links for this article. You can use Perplexity to generate sources for this article. Then add links to older posts. Simple but powerful automation here. Now, automate email content without email tools. If you have an email list, use AI to write newsletters, create follow-ups, write welcome emails. For example, right? A friendly email announcing a new blog post, and paste into Gmail or free email platforms. No need for complex funnels at first. You can automate social media sharing. Simple way. You can ask AI to create a Twitter post, LinkedIn post, create Facebook caption. Then copy, paste, post. One blog, multiple platforms. This is manual automation. Perfect for beginners. And you can automate content updates. Right? This is the smart trick here. Old content dies without updates. Use AI to rewrite all posts, improve clarity, update dates, add FAQs. This boosts SEO without creating new content. You can also create a simple weekly automation routine. Here's a beginner routine. Once per week, one AI written blog post, one AI image, one SEO optimization, 3 social posts. Time needed, 1 to 2 hours per week. That's automation here. Now, avoid publishing AI content without editing, over automating everything, using AI to spam, or ignoring user experience, or chasing too many tools. AI should support your site, not replace you. Now, you don't need paid AI subscriptions, expensive automation tools, or coding or fancy plugins. Free tools plus consistency beat paid chaos. So in 2026, AI is normal, automation is expected, simplicity wins. A small WordPress site uses AI, keeps human control, and focuses on value here. All right. So like the video, subscribe, and comment WPAI below to know that you watched the whole video. So thank you for watching.